Thanks on the beat.
Hey ladies, have those old wigs and have no idea what to do with them? They're just piling up in your closet. Well, this series is for you. We're coming up on part 4 of Boil It, Revive It, or Fry It, where I am gathering all my old wigs and I'm putting them to the test. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. All right, let's get right to it. It's going to be the same exact process as part 1, 2, and 3. You're going to get a boiler and you're going to put it on the highest setting that you can. Get some type of utensil. Of course, I do not eat with this utensil, guys. It is solely for the sake of my videos, so I will not burn myself. But you are going to need some type of utensil to toss this bad boy around because it is smoking hot, so be very careful. You're going to have the hair sit in for about 60 seconds. It only takes about a minute, no more than a minute and a half, to boil these wigs. And then you're going to take them out the pot and you are going to proceed to rinse them. Now with the loose curls, I did notice that it did tangle up pretty badly. It was very hard to brush through even with the water running. As far as boiling wise, this is the second curly unit that you saw in the earlier part of the video. That boiled pretty nicely. And I'm going to do the same exact method as all the other wigs that you've seen so far. After boiling, I'm going to rinse it and try to get a feel for how it would be with trying to detangle it a bit. This is a loose curly unit, so I don't want to kind of brush it all the way through, but I saw that if I didn't brush it, that it would just be completely tangled up. So as you can see, I am towel drying it. I'm trying to kind of crinkle it up and squish it up to try to preserve the curls, and that was just an absolute failure. You can see it's really hard for me to brush through it's actually hard for me to brush through both of the hair. So I gave up on it and tried to blow dry them to see if it would be easier for me to comb through it after blow drying. The blue one held more of a curl than the first brown unit, but I will tell you guys, I love how that brown unit turned out. Like, it looks like some actual human hair and it feels really good. Like, I would definitely rock it that way. I was so disappointed with my teal, as you can see, because I feel like it was better before I even washed it and it didn't keep the curls, so I was a little disappointed. But you all have to just kind of make sure you pay attention to how you're manipulating the hair before you actually boil it, and understand with the curly units, most likely they're not going to revert back, so you would have to probably style it a different way. But I thought that at least I would include this in the segment so you can see how the loose curl wigs turn out once you boil them. Now on to the good part, which is savings and getting free money. Everybody loves free money, right? So this is the Dosh app, and it's what I use to save money and get cash back, and I apply that money towards getting new wigs. It is free to sign up, and once you link your bank account, you automatically get $5. Now I have included screenshots showing you where I have received money for just referring friends. And I had $45 deposited into my account without no problems, no issues. They don't take anything out, and I use that $45 to buy some more wigs. So just a little secret and a little tip there for you all who are interested. I will make sure I place the link down below of how you can sign up with the Dosh app, as well as viewing parts 1 through 3 of this segment. If you do like this video, please share it, like it, and comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, because we have one last part to this segment, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I'm helping someone out there that is trying to get their money's worth on these wigs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the last video. Bye.